Once you log into the International Tax Platform ITP, you'll see the International Tax Research and Compliance Expert solution on the left-hand panel. Click on the title to expand and review the tools available. Select the Rates menu to access the Rates tool. In order to use the Custom Rates section, you'll first need to load your global footprint in ITP. Please review the project settings video prior to proceeding. From the Custom Rates screen, click on Actions, Manage Entity Data, and select Entities from the left-hand panel and transfer them to the right. Click Finish to complete. The grid by default will load the Corporate tab with the entities or countries loaded in your project file. You can view the statutory, surtax, and effective tax rates. If you have a special rate, these rates can be edited by clicking on the pencil next to the rate. Click the P icon to review the progressive blocks, and F icon to review the footnotes. You can export these rates to Excel by clicking on Actions menu and then Export Rates. If you want to share this report with other members or stakeholders, click on Attach to Task. Please refer to our Task Manager video for further instruction. If you have also loaded your intercompany transactions in the project settings, you can pull this data into the withholding and cross-border sections. You only need to import this once from the Actions, Manage Transaction Data to populate both these sections. Select your entities from the left-hand panel and transfer them to the right. If you want to see an active tax treaty, please click on Tax Treaty with the green label and it will redirect you to the Tax Treaty section. You can export these rates to Excel by clicking on Export Rates or attach it to a task. Now let's move on to current corporate rates. By default, all 193 CTRs will be displayed. To customize, click on the pencil icon at the top by countries and select My Countries. This will display the countries from your project file. Countries can also be selected manually. Click on the news icon next to a country to be directed to the Tax News section for latest updates. Click on the Rate Memo under Rate Memo column to generate a CTR memo. The Corporate Tax Memo allows you to enter the taxable income and make any adjustments needed to the default statutory and surtax rates. Click View Memo and then Done. This can also be downloaded for your further customization. The Corporate Tax Memo has been saved with a unique memo code and a task ID. Click on the ID to change its name. Saved with a unique task ID, this allows you to automatically launch the task to share with other members or stakeholders. Now let's take a look at historical or future corporate section. By default, all 193 country rates will be displayed. To customize, click on the pencil icon at the top. You can either select My Countries or select them manually. You can view the statutory, surtax, and effective tax rates. Click on the news icon next to a country to be directed to the Tax News section for latest updates. By default, the current year rates will display. You can change the year or add multiple years by clicking on the pencil icon and selecting the years you want to display. As you can see, the grid has loaded with the years we have selected. And for the last one, let's take a look at individual rates. By default, you will see the rates for all jurisdictions covered in ITP. To customize, simply click on the pencil icon at the top and select My Countries if you have them loaded in your project file. The countries can also be selected manually. Click on Action and then Export Rates to see the report in Excel. You can also save this report in Orbitex Drive for future reference.
Orbitex, the global tax technology experts.